demonstrate how well Siri works when you're driving. Some things you can ask me. Okay, send message. No, nothing. Hello Siri, can I please send a message? I'm driving. Does it work? No. Look, some things you can ask me. Great. Hello Siri. 11. Yeah, well, that's supper. Yep. For me for a while. Supper in Britain, son. Back. Get you want out it. Yeah, I hope it's a successful trip for you. On way to the airport. Finally, stuff packed in the back. If I don't have it now, I don't have it. It's just the way it is. Beautiful morning. People out running. Check that dude struggling up the hill. Made it. Some stressed out people. Standby flight cruising. People pick up my bags and check them back in again. The joys. Thank you. Checked in. Got a seat, which is good. Crampy seat. Never mind. Said I can ask at the gate, so maybe ask at the gate. See if we can get aisle seat, so we can get up and do some exercises. Anyway, time for some lunch. Flying in, I reckon I could put on stone maybe. From Glasgow to London, London to San Francisco, easier stone. Although this looks nice, sounds nice, it's actually pretty rank. You can get myself some Krispy Kremes. Raining. Rainy UK, rainy London, time to go to the sunshine. It's going to be good, man. Well, next stop, San Fran. Right guys, what's it going to be? Entertainment. Point Break. Did they remake Point Break? Is that a remake? Who knows? Doors haven't closed yet, but check this out. Appears to be an empty seat. Later, London. wasn't valid because I didn't have the return ticket already. So a bit of a drama, I was a bit panicked for a minute, but I'm in the country now. But I need to have a return ticket booked the next time or something. To hit downtown San Francisco.